Hello, fourth grade. Welcome to your Thursday math lesson. We are on lesson 3.6. So it's choose a multiplication method. You've seen different strategies this week, and we're just going to review all of them. So I'm actually going to be spending most of my time on my smart notebook here. So we're going to do all three methods, partial products, box method, and turtle method for the same problem. And this is just to show you that I'm going to get the same answer every single time. So I will actually start with partial products. Okay, so remember with partial products, we want to start with our largest place values, so tens. So 2 tens times 1 10. So 20 times 10, that is 200. Okay, I'm going to be color coding here. Now we're going to go to 5 ones times 110. So 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, now I'm going to go to 2 tens times 1 5. So 20 times 5, 100. Okay, and finally, 5 ones times 5 ones. So 5 times 5, 25. Okay, because I'm out of space, I'm going to go over here and add them. So 200 plus 50 plus 100. Okay. All right, so let's see. This is 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 375 is my answer. Okay, so that is a review of partial products. I'm going to erase all this, and now we're going to go to turtle method or regrouping. Okay, so again, using the exact same problem. 25 times 15. All right, so we're going to draw our turtle head around the 5 and 25. Okay, so 5 times 5 will be 25. Drop my 2, or 5, sorry, and carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. Okay, now we draw our necklace so that we cross out the 5, we're done with it. And then I'm going to drop my egg, or the 0. Now, 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them together, we get, once again, 375. So different method, still the same answer. Okay, so now we're going to go to box method. So same problem. Okay, so I'm going to write my problem here, and then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to draw my box. So your book makes them all different sizes. I don't like to do that. I just make them all even like that. Okay, so I got to take my digits here, numbers here, and split them. So 20 and 5 go across the top. So you want to make sure you're splitting them into their place values. So we have 2 10s and then 1 5. Okay. 15 becomes 10 and 5. Okay, so now we're going to multiply our 10s here. So 20 times 10 is 200. So that goes in my first box. Okay, now coming over here, we're going to do 10 times 5, 50. Okay, and then 20 times 5 comes down here, 100. And then finally, 5 times 5 is 25. So notice how this is a lot like partial products, right? what we did the first time. So we're just going to add them all together next. See, this is just a more visual version of partial products. So once again, we end up with 375. So 3 different methods, all the same answer. Okay. So those are 3 options for you. And, pick whichever one you have the most success with, whichever one you think is easiest and it makes sense to you. You just stick with that one. Okay, and there you have it. Now you can practice on your own using whichever method you like best.